Hello there, students in 8th grade. I'm here to explain a little bit about the Unit 1 Memoir activity. These are the video instructions that will help a little bit. Okay, so first of all, you've learned a little bit in your tutorials about what a memoir even is. It's different than an autobiography. Basically, a memoir is a narrative, which means story, written about one important event in your life that affected you in some important way. So basically, you're choosing a moment from your life, a little snapshot, an event, or a conversation with someone that really made an impact on you and what kind of impact it had. So just keep in mind, it's a true past event. It's written by you. So it's written in the first person. You're going to talk about yourself. It'll tell about your feelings and what you learned from the experience. On our website, if you look there's a link to a little more description. If you're still a little bit unsure, you can find this video here on the website, okay? All right, another resource that's on the resource website is this video. She titled it Blood, Sweat, But Never Tears. It's about a young boxer's experience and what she learned from her coach in the boxing ring. What she learned not just about boxing, but about real life. That's kind of helpful because it's not written, it's spoken, and it has pictures, so it might give you another idea about what a memoir really is. Okay, so step one. When you start your memoir, first thing to do is to choose a theme for your memoir, a message, basically. Some are given in the assignment, for example, adversity, loneliness, good friendship or bad friendship, or possibly determination. Once you've decided on a theme, you will think of an example story from your life that is related to that theme, okay? Or you can think of a story, you can work your way backward. You could think of a story, something important that had a major impact on your life, and what you learned from it, what you think the theme or the purpose of that event in your life was, okay? All right, step two. This is a story. You're writing about a true story in your life, but it's important to have an outline so that you organize your story so that you focus it and make sure that you're really talking about a theme and that it has a clear flow. So the goal of this step is to create a plan. First part is to come up with the main idea. What message is it that you want to convey through your story to your audience? Okay. Once you've filled out that outline, then you're going to move on to step 3, which is to share it with an English teacher. You can share it with your teacher, or you can share it with one of the English teachers. You can ask your teacher who we are. This is an important step because you're going to share that outline. They're going to look it over and make sure that everything is good to go, that you have all the parts in your outline that you need, your theme, that you have a beginning, middle, and end to your story, that you have characters, that you've written it in the first person, all those details, okay? All right, and then the final step, step 4, is to actually write your memoir. Now, this is going to be in a story format, so the outline is not the final step. The next step is to actually write your story. On your activity, on the Microsoft Word document, you have an outline at the very bottom that shows you how to create an MLA formatted paper, and it gives you headings. Make sure that when you actually finish it and want to submit your activity that you delete all the headings. You don't want those in there. You want your final draft to just be your writing and no prompts. Again, you can share with a teacher once you have that draft done so that you get the best grade possible. If you have any questions, look at those other 2 videos on this resource website or reach out to one of us teachers and we'll be happy to help you. Best of luck.